The Goa government on Wednesday said it will constitute a special group to prepare a roadmap for developing a logistics hub in Goa. The Chief Minister said the group will comprise 4 to 5 members and prepare an action plan to develop Goa into a logistics hub by cashing in on advantages of an all-weather port.
Mr. Parrikar, addressing the concluding function of the day-long seminar on logistics organized by the Goa Chapter Confederation of India Industries, said that the development of Goa as a logistics hub would be a priority for his government. Referring to his objection to doubling rail track by South Western Railway between Londa in Karnataka and Vasco in Goa, he said that the proposal was smacked of a scam. Mr. Parrikar said that doubling rail track by South Western Railway intended to mine ore in Karnataka and transport it through rail and export it using Mormugao Port Trust.
Already pointed out, logistics is a very important aspect of any business. It may be a small business also. The logistics plays a role. And I always believed that connectivity, whether it is physical connectivity or whether it is connectivity through internet, through cable, through wireless, is also equally important for business proposition. That's why I traveled to Ratnagiri and found that Konkan Railway has a lot of bottleneck points. Now someone may say that one way you are opposing two lines for South Central Railway. We are not per se opposing them. We are opposing in the way they want to do it. They have to take stakeholder, the state government, into confidence before designing the full parameters. The concept which they were trying to do was a scam, nothing short of scam. They wanted to get mines from all the Karnataka ores and export them through MPT, the Port Trust, Mormugao Port Trust. Now that is not acceptable. You can do, the problem with railways many times, therefore railways, all this coordination has to be proper, is once they construct the line, they think that is a foreign country.
Mr. Kaul said that various states including Trivandrum, Bangalore, Chennai were developing logistic hubs in India.
But if our framework becomes positive and aligned to the market and we remove these structural distortions, I think Indian aviation would see an upside for the next 3 to 4 decades.
How do you look at logistics?
If you look at it, if our logistics in competitiveness shaves off 1 to 2% of our GDP. If you look at the logistics productivity index, India is at the 100th level. We don't have a very competitive logistics infrastructure due to various reasons. But I think every state, Trivandrum is looking at setting up a logistics hub. Bangalore is trying to do a lot. Chennai has a great potential on the logistics which sees air, road, rail and port sort of combination. But we need to do a lot more on that, on the logistics part. We are not as competitive as we should be, a country of our economy.